Pimm's Cup, which is a classic drink made with this stuff called Pimm's Number One.
Honey, what is Pimm's?
It's basically gin infused with a whole bunch of
Aromatics?
botanicals.
It's pretty herbaceous, like I can smell it.
Yeah, it's very herbaceous.
You open the cap just for a second, you can really smell it.
And I know this is Pimm's Number One, and at some point in history there were like 5 or 6 Pimm's, but I don't think any of them are available anymore.
Only Number One survived.
Luckily, it's Number One. So anyway, this is a Pimm's Cup is the kind of thing you would drink if you're going to Wimbledon or you're going to a polo match. It's very like.
Honey, we have
British.
never been to Wimbledon.
So this is a very easy drink to make. You just pour a little bit of Pimm's Number One in your glass.
I'd rather watch Wimbledon at home. I know I digress again, but you know, you don't get rained on. It's not. You're not going to get sunburned on your forehead.
Yeah.
You get the close-ups.
So, Pimm's in the cup, ice in the cup,
Or all over the counter.
or all over the counter.
What are you doing?
I'm making a mess.
It's like a squirrel came in to make this cocktail. What are you doing?
Then you top it. This is the whole drink. Top it with ginger ale.
What about all this stuff over here? All this accoutrement.
We're getting there.
You have a whole buffet of stuff here.
So then the fun part about the Pimm's Cup is that you get to garnish it with a whole bunch of things.
You garnishy wages. You're garnishing a drink.
I'm garnishing this drink. So some sliced cucumber, some sliced lemon.
Oh, now it's healthy. Now it's a health drink.
You can add like sliced apple. You can add berries. You can do whatever you want.
I like the cucumber. It's very refreshing. Lemon's very bright. Mint, delicious.
And that is a Pimm's Cup. And now you
Refreshing.
You can go to Wimbledon. You can go to a polo match, or you can just
can stay home and eat Impossible Burgers.
Impossible pub cheeseburgers. Who knows?